My idea of modesty and another person's idea of modesty may be very different. Hence, if that's being forced on me, then it would be a problem.
No. The thing is, what I'm asking you a question, if the Taliban say that you have to do a job, you have to do modeling, you may like modeling, some may not like modeling. But in Islam, we don't believe in women exposing the body to earn money. I would not like my sister exposed. You would like, it's your choice. But if someone who's controlling, the choice that is there, as I told you, that you cannot force someone to do something which he wants, which is not causing a problem. But if someone wants to say, my freedom, I want to rob, you cannot agree to. Freedom is there, but freedom is limited. You can't corrupt the society. So same way what you have to realize, sister, that what we get views from different corners, it changes. It keeps on changing. Modesty is different. Suppose whatever is immodest in your view, I don't know what is immodest in your view. Fine, whatever is immodest in your view, suppose you're forced to do that to earn a living. And if someone comes as a savior and tells you, don't do that, whatever you consider immodest, I don't know what you consider immodest. You may consider immodest, maybe dancing is immodest for you, may not be modest, modeling may be modest for you. So whatever is immodest for you, if you are supposed to do that type of work to earn a living because of your poverty or because of your situation that is, and if someone comes as a savior, you know, in Bombay, there are thousands of prostitutes. Not that they like doing it, because they have got an avenue, someone has forced them to do it. If some savior comes and says that what are you going to do there, I will give you your salary at doorstep, don't do it. So would you prefer not doing the immodest work and getting side doorstep, or would you prefer doing that immodest work?
Dr. Naik, I would prefer someone paying me than to be a prostitute. Yes, that's
Of course.
True.
So I'm not seeing what happened there. What I'm trying to tell you, I'm not telling you the Taliban are saviors. I'm not here to support Taliban. What I'm trying to tell you, we are getting two different views. So I, as a person who has a large following, I say, I don't know if Taliban are good or bad. You ask me on principles of Islam. For example, does Islam encourage education? Of course, I've given a talk on that. And if you see at the time of ignorance, 1400 years back, the amount of women that were educated at the time of ignorance, where gents weren't educated, women were educated. So this is Islam. So you ask me on principles, killing innocent human being, it's prohibited. 9/11 is wrong. Who did? I don't know. So similarly, if you ask me on issues, I can give you 100% answer without beating around the bush. But if you ask me to blame someone, I'm telling this is media. I know when I keep on traveling, now people call me a terrorist in UK. People have banned me. So if they ban me, giving me a label, many people may agree with it. So I said, these people will be held responsible. Have they seen me doing any act? Not just because they want to get fame, they know that I'm very popular. I know I'm getting a lot of people. I know I'm spreading Islam. These people don't want Islam to be spread in UK. So they give me a label. If they tell me Zakir is logically convincing many people, that will not be a very good news. So they have to give me a label so that people go against me.